Go on this free software and click on this button. Copy this auto-generated article, then go on another free software, paste that article here and convert it into a video. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can do affiliate marketing as a beginner. It is really simple. Actually, I'm going to show you two free softwares. One software that will write a script for you automatically, totally free, and another software that will convert automatically that script into a video that you can use to promote your affiliate products. So without further ado, let's start. We are actually going to use a new Facebook option. Whenever Facebook introduces a new option, they push that option. And that new option is Facebook Reels. Facebook Reels is new and Facebook is pushing Reels in order to get more people to start using Facebook Reels. And you could use that to grow your Facebook page and also to promote your affiliate products. So when you go, for example, when you go on this page here, you will see that they are uploading videos regularly and they are actually uploading Reels, Facebook Reels. As you can see, these are under 60 seconds long videos and their videos are getting thousands and thousands of views. And those are mostly simple videos, just an image and auto-created artificial AI voiceover. It is really simple. You can do this in just 5 minutes. Also, this is my Facebook fan page, and as you can see, I also upload videos and reels on Facebook in order to grow my Facebook fan page and to promote my YouTube channel and my affiliate products. And that is exactly what you need to do. You need to start making Facebook Reels and you need to start uploading them in order to start growing your Facebook fan page and also to promote your affiliate products. Okay, so in order to make our Reels, first thing that we need is a script. Now I'm guessing that most of you are not good at writing scripts and you also don't have money to pay someone to write you that script. So what you can do is you can actually go on a website called writer.me and you can register for a free account. And after you register for a free account, just click here on Start Writing. And then here you can choose the language. I will leave it as English. Select tone. I will leave it as a convincing. And here where it says choose use case, I will actually choose blog section writing, okay? And here I need to add my topic, okay? And let's say that I'm in weight loss niche. To be more precise, let's just say that I'm in keto sub niche. So here I will simply type keto diet tips. And here I need to add my keywords. So I will just say keto diet tips, then I will say keto, and then I will say keto diet. And that is it for now. You can add more keywords if you want. You can add more in section topic. But for now, I will just leave it as it is. Number of variations, I will leave it as 1, but you can choose 2 or 3. Creativity level, I will leave it as optimal. Okay? And all I have to do now is just click here on Write for Me. And this software will automatically write a blog section for me, totally free, in just 1 minute. As you can see here. And now I have my script, okay? So now when I have my script, now I need to make a video. Now I'm guessing that most of you are not that good at making videos. You don't have a good video editor or anything like that. So what you can do is you can actually simply copy this text here, this script, and go on another free software called InVideo.io and register for a free account. And then what you need to do, you actually need to click here text to video because we need to convert our script into a video automatically. And here you can see different templates. Now try to find a template that fits your niche, your topic. So because we are talking about weight loss and keto diet, so I can just scroll through these two. Okay, let's just say fitness promo, okay? That is closest to weight loss. So I will simply click here. Okay, and I will click here on use this template, okay? And here you can choose different variations. I wish to choose landscape because I actually wish to choose portrait because I'm making a Facebook Reels. That is why you need to choose a portrait. That is important. And then click here on use template, okay? And now we actually need to make our video. So here add a story. I will paste my script and now I need to add a title, and in title I can say something like this: a keto diet for beginners. And here you can see auto suggest images and videos. Now I suggest you to leave this as it is, okay? Leave them, let them add automatic videos and images to your video. And just click here on next. Give it a few seconds. Sometimes it takes a few minutes depending on how long video is, how long your script is, in order for them to actually convert your script that you wrote here into a video. Okay, here you can see it is almost done. Okay, and this is how my video looks, as you can see here. And here you can see when I click here on play, you will see this scene here, this slide here. Now what I like about this is they actually, so let me just pause this, they added a text, they added subtitles here in this slide, and they did exactly the same thing on all the slides. As you can see, they added images. Now you can change these images if you want, you can add your own images and videos. Now if you are going to do that, then use royalty-free images and videos. Just drag and drop them here as in this box here. And you can also change this text if you want to. Just click here and you can add whatever you want, as you can see here. So just see, okay, as you can see, they changed this part here. Now I don't want that, so I will delete that because it doesn't make any sense. So when I click here in empty, okay, it deleted. So now here you can see on the left side you have more options. Here you can see videos, images, music, logo and stuff like that. You can change all kind of stuff here, and you can actually go on advanced editor and you can edit this even more, okay? And that is exactly what you need to do, because you actually, so let me just move this slider here, you actually wish to click here on this T for text, because you wish to add a text. Now you can choose these different text styles, so I will just keep it simple. So I will just add this text style here, okay? And here you can see it added, so let me just move that here. And why this is important? Because here we can actually add our call to action. Now to add our call to action, we actually first need to find products to promote. So what I need to do, I simply need to go on ClickBank Marketplace. And because we are talking about weight loss, so I need to go here and click here on health and fitness. And let me just click here. And here you can find weight loss related products. And actually I'm going to rank this by gravity. Okay, and let me just scroll through this to find one that is related to keto. Okay, so let me just search that here in the search bar. So just say keto, press enter. And also I'm going to sort this by gravity. Okay, so let's just say I wish to use this product here. I wish to promote this product here, custom keto diet. Here you can see I can earn $77 on average per sale. So gravity is actually 110, which is really good. They have upsales. They also have a $1 trial, affiliate marketing tools, one-time payment, recurring commission. So this is a good product for me to promote. So what I need to do, I need to simply copy this, okay? Control C, I need to go back here, and here I need to say something like, for example, let me just say something like, get your, for example, custom keto diet plan, okay? Custom keto diet plan, okay? That is my call to action. So let me just make this, okay? So I will just say, click the link in first comment, okay? Click the link in first comment, okay? And now I have my call to action. Now this is not the best call to action. It is way too long, but I'm just showing you to show you how this works. And when you go here, so let me just go back here. And when I actually click here on play, it will show, as you can see, click the link in first comment and get your custom keto diet plan, okay? And I can add that on all these slides here. Now I added it only on the first slide. Now, after you finish everything, as you can see, they added a royalty-free music. So let me just pause this. And they add subtitles, royalty-free videos and photos. This is a good short video that will keep people's attention. Now, all I have to do now is just click here on export. Give it a few seconds. And let's just leave it at 720 pixels. Click here on export. Give it a few seconds. Like I said, sometimes it takes few minutes depending on how long video is in order for them to actually convert this and to download this on your desktop. Now, as you can see here, they asking you to upgrade your account. Now you don't have to do that, but your video will have their watermark and they will actually send you a download link on your email. So don't worry about this. You don't have to upgrade. So now when you have your video, now you actually need to go on your Facebook fan page and you need to start uploading this video. As you can see, this is my video. I can also right click here, save video as, give it a few seconds, okay, save it here, and it will save this video on my desktop. So let me just close this, and what I need to do, I need to go back on Facebook, and I actually need to go on my Facebook fan page. And here you will actually see, so let me just go back here, and here you can actually see a reel. You can even upload reels on your desktop. So when I click here on reel and here add a video, I can actually add a video. This is the video and I can upload this video. When I click here on next, I will go on next step. I can edit the reel, I can edit this reel, I can trim it. Now I don't want to do that. Click here on next. I can add description, title, tags, make it public or not, and all I have to do now is just click here on publish, and I will publish this video, these reels, Facebook reels, on my Facebook fan page. And like I said, these videos are, so to just go here, leave, I don't want to upload this on my Facebook fan page. You will actually start getting hundreds of views. Of course, you should add some tags in your reels, that always helps. And you will start getting thousands of views, hundreds of views on your reels, and you will start growing your Facebook fan page, and you will also use it to promote your affiliate products, ClickBank affiliate products, Digistore24 affiliate products, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or any affiliate products. So this is how you do affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2022. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.